Wala na yan, wala na.
Ready.
Wala na yan. Doraemon, ginamit.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice one. Wala na yan, pre, wala na yan. Mahilo ko, pre, lo.
Bro. Nakambak. Okay, patayin yan. Kambak. Start booking again, bok. Rada. Lapit ka diyan sa mismo sa kwan ng boss.
20% na lang yung gate.
Ready to base. Kung ilang percent yun?
20%. Nagsi-second gate na sila.
Sige. Come.
Mabs mo na, mabs.
Come. Use ang W.
Mag-i-engage ha. Na-stop ko sila.
Lumalabas.
Na-stop ko sila.
Ready. Engaging in 3, 2, 1. Engage on the crown. Nice. Steps. Now come back. Back. Finish the guards.
Mahilo ka pa,
Come back. Fail.
Minutes na lang.
Finish the guards. Bilis.
Ako kayo, pre.
Si Basyo.
Sige. Depes. Yung guards, depes. Hello. Matay si Lukas. Kung free. Pa-revive. Dito. Sige. Start bunking. Kaya to. Wag kayong kan. Dito, stick to the wall. Ilang percent yung gate? Ilang percent yung gate?
Wala yung club, pre.
29.
Nag-bro lang, pre.
20%.
Walang club yan, pre, ha. Walang club yan.
Sige.
Brawl lang yan, brawl.
Sige.
Sige mo kung mag-engage ka
Engage. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry. Fail. Just box.
Sige lang. They're looking, na-hold ko sila. Nahol ko sila, pre.
Stop
Nahol
them.
ko. Wala yan, nahol ko.
Ready, DPS. Cool down. Just keep on brawling. Ready? Hello? Ready? Engaging in 5, 4, 3,
Tayo mo the ring.
2, 1. Drop Yuri. Nice one. Keep rolling. I-brawl nyo yung nasa loob. I-brawl.
Ibrol.
I-brawl. Demon. May demon ba?
Hindi mo naman.
Demon. Spread. Ready DPS. Keep booking. Kaya pa to. Spread lang dito. Stick to the wall. To the crown. Stick to the wall. Just keep booking. Diretso agad sa chest. Diretso agad sa chest. Sa chest tayo. Ito, engage ha. 5. Wait.
Wait lang, Doray lang.
Yung gate. Engage 5,
Doray.
4, 3, 2, 1. Ito sa crown. Drop. Spread now. Spread lang sa loob. Spread. Just keep rolling. Go to the chest. Slowly go to the chest. Dandahan lang. Paano sa lumabas.
Open na. Clear na muna natin.
Clear.
Pa-open.
Bring the guards here. Noah, hindi kayo makapasok sa... Huwag kayong lumabas ng gate. Hindi kayo makapasok. Pabalik.
Update nga ulit.
Clear the guards.
Mount ka na lang, Noah. Mount up ka na lang, Noah.
Mantap ka.
Andito sila sa south side, yung mga player. Okay. Doray. Pwede tayo mag-engage, Doray.
Sino maingay? Ikikik ko yan sa guild. Hindi ko naiintindihan yung call ni Doraemon. Mag-mute mic nga kayo.
Update nga ulit.
Guys,
Boss,
walang
Cover
sinabi
ka
si
nga ba?
Doraemon na pumunta kayo dyan sa baba, guys.
boss nag-lag si Duray yata.
Tumahimik ka, pre. Ang ingay mo. Saan si Doraemon?
Nag-lag na, boss.
Okay. Comes out. Sinong lead? I-mark mo ako ng shield. Mark me shield.
Hello, I'm back. Nakuha na ba natin yung kan?
Hindi pa
Hello.
pre. Hindi pa napatay yun.
May guard pa sa baba.
May guard pa sa
Come to the
outside.
ping. Come to the kan. Ito. Finish the guard. Sorry, na-out ako, boss.
Tumahimik kayo, pre. Ang ingay nyo, pre. Hindi ko magintindihan yung shot call. Sinasapawan niyo yung caller, pre.
Nasa southwest ang top spire, southwest.
Sige lang. Finish lang natin tong kan. Huwag na kayong lumapit dyan. Dito lang dito sa taas.
May guard pa sa baba,
Priority
Doray.
objectives. Sige. Sa baba.
Doray, engage ka lang na engage. Engage ka lang na engage. Sa stop ko lagi.
Come. Step up. DPS. Step up. Gijing ha. Bird the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. DPS. Drop. Nice drop. Kill. Finish. Spread. Now spread. Spread and brawl.
May bomba sa east. May bomba sa east.
Okay, kite north. Pahil. Spread.
Stop ko yung-
Kite north. Just kite. Ready the best. Are you ready? Gijing.
Doray,
Five,
na-stop yung
four,
solo bomb, ba?
3, 2, 1. Big boys. Big. Now kite. Kite.
Pats kayo, pre. Mag-pats ka.
Kite.
Perma ready.
Bail.
Am I ready? Okay. Wait. Just wait. Spread sa loob. Spread sa loob. Use on
Patayin nyo muna
Use on W's.
Doraemon.
Boss.
Patayin nyo muna yung guards, pre.
Okay.
Para ano tayo.
Step up DPS. Ready. Mag-one engage tayo sa south. Sige boss. Puntahan natin. DPS. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big toe. Nice one, boys. Nice one. Kill the guards.
May bomb sa east side. This one. Look at this.
One tank. Puntahan nyo nga.
Kutsi. Ay, ako na, pre. Ako na yung bomb. Andito sa akin yung bomb.
Spread. Ready. DPS. Are you ready? Perma. Ready ba? Hello. Spread kayo sa likod ko. Ready ba? Ready? GG.
Di pa.
Ready? Hello? 5,
ko yung bomb.
Operate, di mo kami rinig.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Ready, be.
1. Big boys, big. DPS.
Wala na.
Now,
Na-stop ko yung
kite.
ano nila. Na-stop ko sila. Patayin nyo muna yung guards.
Heal. I need.
Okay, come northeast. Everybody come northeast. Come northwest now. Step up northwest. Come northwest. Shield.
Sino yung hindi ako patay. Hindi ako patay. Pakuan lang. Patay na ako.
Come northwest. Okay, come northwest. Chill. Come northwest, everybody. Follow me. Come northwest. Step up. Come northwest. Chill. Come northwest. Naka-shield ako. Okay, come south. Ready? Okay, south in 5. South in 4. 3, 2, 1. No. Pakakatch na. Okay, come back. It's okay. Okay, drop it. Even if you're late. Sige lang. Okay. Chill. Very good. Okay, step up south. Come south. Brawl southside. Kill the guards muna. Look at the sheet. Look at the sword. Kill the guards muna. Chill. Pa-heal sa front. Healers go at the back. Kill the guards muna. Kill the guards muna. Chill. Kill the guards muna. Okay, good. Okay, after you kill the guard, go northeast. Come northeast. East. Okay, step up northwest. Kill the guard northwest. Wala nang solo bomb, patay na yan. Huwag kayo panic. Spread and brawl. Drop your E if you're ready. Just drop it on the Lord, guys. Come on. DPS, step up here. Okay, Ditangs hold my southwest side, okay? Kill it.
Kaya nandito lang sila sa south boss.
Okay. Okay. After this.
Stepping up sila.
Okay, it's okay. Stop them first. Lord is almost dying, okay? Sige lang, kill the Lord muna. Drop everything on the Lord, please. They're stepping up, It's okay. Don't panic. Just kill the Lord first. Kill the Lord, guys. Kill the Lord. Drop everything on the Lord, guys. Okay. Now brawl and spread. We're the owner of the castle now. Brawl and spread. Come south if you can. Come southwest. Brawl southwest. Brawl and spread lang kayo. Okay, ready? Engage on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Guys, inside. Drop it inside. Okay, now spread and brawl. If you're having a hard time fucking pots. Okay, it's okay. Now brawl. We're winning, boys. We're winning. Just brawl and spread. Brawl and spread. Drop pots, drop pots, drop pots, drop pots, drop pots, drop pots. Come on, just drop it if you have. Drop it if you have. Drop it if you have. I don't have engage. Just drop it, drop it. Engage in my 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it on the ground. Drop it on me. Oh my god, hindi yan, pre. Okay, come back, come back, come back. It's okay, it's okay. Just brawl this guy. Guys inside. Brawl this guys inside. Brawl this guys inside. Brawl this guys inside. Don't let them leave. Don't let them leave. Don't let them leave. Brawl, guys. Brawl this guy. Look at the sword. Look at the sword. Brawl this guy, please. Kill this guy. Kill this guy. Kill this guy. Kill this guy.
Perma ready.
Kill this guy. Okay. Okay, engage. 4, 4, 3, 2, 1 now. On this guy. Drop it yun. Okay, good. Now they don't have main damage dealers now, okay? Okay, pa-finish ako sinunlo. Oh, okay. Okay, chase them. Come, click the gate, click the gate, click the gate. Click the gate. Go southwest, go southwest. Come, click the gate. Engage on the gate. Engage on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now, on me now. Okay, nice. Good job, boys. Now finish. Now come southwest. Finish them southwest. Okay, good job, boys. Kill them all. Good job, boys. Okay.
May healing
Finish.
sa likod mo, boss.